Hello everyone, this is Austin from SmartSafe. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to introduce our device, the ATF601. It is an automatic transmission, flushing, and oil changing machine. We know that after long-term use, the transmission fluid inside an automatic transmission can be deteriorate. If not replaced in time, it could lead to abnormal transmission operation and even damage. Traditional device could not control the amount of the transmission fluid being added precisely. This device, however, could not only add transmission fluid as needed, but also complete the cleaning and oil changed within 20 minutes. Now let's see what we have: the machine, the user manual, and the power cord, the main adapters which are adapted to the most common models on the market transmission joint. These are our main adapters, and there are more adapters that are available. Now let's take a look at the overall structure of the machine. First, the operation panel. The two gauge at the top display the oil pressure of the gearbox and the oil pressure of the automatic transmission cooler. The two windows in the middle allow you to observe the flow rate and the color of the new and used oil. Below this are the display screen and the operation buttons, which make it easier for us to operate the machine. Next to this is the printer, which can print out the corresponding reports. On this side, we can see the new oil fill port. The three pipes next to it are two oil pipes connecting to the automatic transmission, labeled to transmission, and the drain pipe. The side pipe is for sampling and draining the used oil. On this side of the machine has three windows, which facilitate the observation of the capacity of the new oil, used oil, and cleaning agents. Today I have given a brief introduction about our device, the ATF601. I hope it's been helpful. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions or experience wants to share, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Austin. See you next time.